Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a daily self-care routine that will help you live a stress-free life. This journey is about more than just managing stress. It's about curating moments of tranquility and gratitude throughout your day. Think of your daily life as a home that you inhabit. Just as we tidy our physical spaces to create harmony, we must also tend to our inner spaces, our minds and spirits. A self-care routine is like a gentle, daily tidying festival for your soul. It's about choosing activities that nourish you and make space for positive energy to flow. By embracing these simple practices, we can cultivate an environment within ourselves where stress finds little room to settle. Together, we will explore how to thoughtfully integrate these moments of care into your schedule. It's not about adding more tasks to an already busy day, but about transforming existing moments to honor yourself. Let us begin this journey to a more serene and joyful existence, one mindful step at a time. Discover the profound impact of a well-tended inner life. Let us begin with the very first moments of your day. Before the world outside rushes in, there is a precious opportunity to connect with yourself. This is the essence of morning meditation. Find a quiet space in your home where you feel undisturbed and at peace. It does not need to be grand, only a place where you can sit comfortably. Close your eyes gently, as if you are softly closing a drawer filled with precious memories. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air as it enters your body, bringing with it life and energy. Feel it as it leaves, carrying away any tension or restlessness. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment. Imagine them as clouds passing through the vast sky of your mind. Simply observe them, and then gently guide your attention back to your breath. With each breath, feel a sense of calm washing over you. This is not about emptying your mind completely, but about creating space within your mind. This morning ritual, even if it is just for 5 or 10 minutes, sets the tone for everything that follows. It creates an environment of focus and clarity. You are telling yourself and the universe that you value your inner peace. Think of this meditation as an act of thanking your mind for its tireless work. As you continue to breathe, allow a gentle smile to form on your lips. This smile is an expression of the joy that comes from this simple act of self-care. When you feel ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently awakening your body. Carry this sense of calm and gratitude with you as you open your eyes and prepare to move into the activities of your day. You have given yourself a precious gift, a foundation of serenity. After greeting the day with a calm mind, our next step in this journey of self-care is to nourish our physical selves with a healthy breakfast. This meal is so much more than just fuel. It is an act of profound gratitude towards our bodies. Choosing what we eat and how we eat it can be a joyful and mindful experience. Consider the items you select for your breakfast. Do they spark joy within you? Do they feel vibrant and life-giving? Approach the preparation of your breakfast with care. Each ingredient has its own story, its own energy. This mindful preparation transforms a simple meal into a ritual of connection. When you sit down to eat, try to do so without distractions. Put away your phone, turn off the television. Allow yourself to be fully present with your food. Notice the flavors, the way the food feels in your mouth. Chew slowly, savoring each bite. Think of your body as a cherished home. The food you consume provides the building blocks, the energy, the very essence of its well-being. By choosing nutritious foods, you are ensuring that your home is strong, vibrant, and well cared for. A healthy breakfast helps to stabilize your energy levels throughout the morning. This meal sets the energetic tone for your day. As you eat, you might even offer a silent thank you to your body for its amazing work. By starting your day with a healthy, mindfully consumed breakfast, you are sending a powerful message to yourself. I am worthy of care. This act of nourishment ripples outwards, influencing your mood, your energy, and your ability to handle the challenges of the day with greater ease and grace. You are actively tidying up stress before it has a chance to accumulate and overwhelm you. Chapter 4. Physical activity, moving your body to uplift your spirit. Our journey towards a stress-free life continues with the joyful practice of physical activity. Moving our bodies is a wonderful way to release tension, boost our mood, and connect with our physical selves in a positive way. The most important aspect of physical activity is to find something that truly sparks joy for you. It does not have to be an intense workout at a gym unless that is what you love. It could be a gentle walk in nature, a playful dance in your living room, a calming yoga session, or tending to your garden. The form it takes is less important than the feeling it evokes. When you engage in physical activity, you are not just exercising your muscles, you are also tidying up your emotional landscape. Movement can help to release pent-up emotions and anxieties that may have become stored in the body. Listen to your body. What kind of movement does it crave today? Some days you might feel energetic and desire something vigorous. Other days, a more gentle and restorative activity might be what you need. Honoring these signals is an act of deep self-respect and care. As you move, bring your awareness to the sensations in your body. Feel your feet connecting with the ground, the rhythm of your breath, the strength in your limbs. This mindful movement transforms exercise from a chore into a celebration of your body's capabilities. Think of the feeling you get after tidying a room, a sense of accomplishment, clarity, and refreshment. Physical activity can provide a similar sense of well-being. By making physical activity a regular part of your self-care routine, you are not only improving your physical health, but also cultivating a more positive and resilient mindset. You are actively choosing to move towards a life filled with more energy, vitality, and joy. Chapter 5. Evening routine, winding down for a restful night. As the day draws to a close, it is time to create a gentle transition into a restful night. Begin by dimming the lights in your home. Disconnect from screens at least an hour before bedtime. Choose calming activities like reading a book. A warm bath can help relax your muscles. Spend a few moments journaling to release worries. Prepare your bedroom to be a sanctuary of peace. Gentle stretches can release tension. Practice gratitude meditation or focus on your breath. This routine soothes your mind and body, paving the way for a rejuvenating night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a stress-free life. We have journeyed together through a daily self-care routine, exploring simple yet profound ways to invite more peace and joy into our lives. Remember, each of these practices, from morning meditation to your calming evening ritual, is an opportunity to connect with yourself, to express gratitude, and to consciously choose well-being. The true essence of this journey is not about rigidly adhering to a set of rules, but about discovering what truly sparks joy for you. Think of these suggestions as a gentle guide, a starting point from which you can create a personalized routine that resonates deeply with your own needs and preferences. The goal is to cultivate an inner environment that feels as serene and joyful as a perfectly tidied home. As you continue on your path, I encourage you to approach self-care with kindness and patience. Some days will be easier than others, and that is perfectly natural. The most important thing is your intention, the conscious choice to prioritize your well-being and to create moments of peace amidst the busyness of life. May your days be filled with clarity, tranquility, and an abundance of joy.